ẹkúlé, a greeting to someone you meet in a place like a house. Ilé is a word that means house. This is a greeting that you use when you come to meet somebody in a house or a place like a house. For example, when you visit someone in their house, the first thing to say is ẹkúlé because you are meeting the person in the house. That example is when you go out, maybe when you go out from your house and you come back, you have to greet whoever you meet at home. So your greeting to someone you meet at home will be ẹkúlé because you met the person at home. So next time, when you visit someone or when you return back from somewhere and you want to greet the person you meet in the house, you will say ẹkúlé. Ó tún dọ̀la o. Till tomorrow.